Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. We are in Bwaise. Remember where I left you last time? Exactly there. And I'm going to be taking you all the way up to Sentema Road. I left the camera on and then you people were saying, Sheila, you've left the camera on. Are you okay? I wanted to show you the surroundings. For you, don't you want to see people walking and see the businesses that people are doing? Actually, one of you came in the inbox and they were like, Shida, you went to Bwaise. What were you doing with them? By the way, come with me. We are going to take this road over here, Namungoona Road, up to Bombo Road. Then we go through the Bwaise roundabout. And then we continue going up to Masanafu. Then we join Sentema Road. Then the video will end somewhere there, yeah? So, come with me, mujja tugende naye nga baddiya ku lugamba kwa mutava ekikigwe mujje. So this is why I say, of course, you know, we have mechanics here, we have people selling car spare parts here. You saw the other video, right? You saw, you know, the cars for accidents and all that. And then over there we do have a new building. Do you see? A new building over there. The iron sheets are even still there. It is brand new. You'll be there not wanting to make money. And now all the cars that you're seeing on the left, they all got accidents. The left, the right, you're seeing how the cars are on top of each other and then they look damaged and you're seeing what is going on, right? So that is what goes on here mainly. Bwaise, where they chop the things. One of you came in the inbox and they were like, Shida, you had gone where they chop the things. What were you looking for? But anyway, this is the Weru Road. It's the road that takes you all the way up to Naweru, yeah? Keeps on going all the way up to Naweru. Then somewhere on the right, do you see where that car has come from? There on the right. It takes you to Tula, Kawempe Tula. We do have a video on here where we pass through Kawempe Tula and then we come out from Mpelere, yeah? In case you'd like to check it out, it's there on the channel. On the left here, we have iron sheets. Of course, you already know a new building is coming up. And obviously, I'm going to tell you to make money. I'm going to remind you to make money. Come on, money is the goal. Najifunira na chiboko. I even got a cane for it. What are you talking about? So, Bwaise over here, we have some people dealing with mbao. We have a mosque somewhere here. We have a school somewhere here. Of course, if you're from this area, you know what I'm talking about, yeah? And you guys know the drill. If I pass through any of your areas, I'm taking you all the way up to Lugala, Sentema Road, Masanafu Lugala, that side, that's where we are going. So if I pass through any of your areas, please say hello in the comments and then we'll be saying hello right back. Because keeping the area is not easy. So you see on the right there, we do have a mosque and a school. Do you see there on the right, the yellow and the green? Big school, as a matter of fact. It is there is a mosque and then there is a school. And now on the left here, we have many mechanics this side, people selling spare parts and all those things. And also the timber people, the mbao people. We have some people who sell mbao. So we have traffic lights over here. If you go straight forward, if you cross through and go straight forward, it takes you all the way up to Naweru. If you take the right takes you all the way up to Kawempe, yeah? So we are going to be joining Bombo Road / Kampala Gulu Highway. We have videos of this road as well. So you take the right all the way up to Kawempe, then Bombo, then Matuga, and now this is us taking the left, and the left is taking us up to the northern bypass, and then we're going to be taking it all the way up to Masanafu and then Sentema Road. So this is what the people are doing here, the Bwaise people. These are the businesses over here. We have Goodwill tiles over there on the left, you see. Goodwill tiles, people are selling floor tiles. We have some mbao. We have Babu Enterprises, authorized distributor of something. We've passed by a dental clinic. Then driving school over there. Then we have paint people. People, you can sell paint. You can make paint. You can make paint and sell paint, but all that is not 20 million. 20 million. Apart from one of you who keeps on insisting they're going to buy a tukutuku, they keep on coming in here in the comments all the time. Like, tukutuku, I'll buy a tukutuku with my 20 million. So if you take the left takes you to Kalere, and then it takes you all the way up to Mandela National Stadium. We do have a video when we started from Saapolokagwa all the way up to Nambole. Those days when there was rugby and football. Actually, sometime during this time of the year, but I don't know why we are not having it this year. Because I have people, they would have told me it's there. But well, maybe, wherever I go, you're coming with me. Whatever I see, you are seeing with me. We are in Kampala, and then we are in Kalangala, Kasavu, Kanyama. I need you to be very attentive. The minute you blink like this, you have lost. I need you to, no doubt. Anyway, this is the Bwaise roundabout over here. If you take the left takes you to Saapolokagwa Road. You see where that car is going? That is the beginning of Saapolokagwa Road. All the way. We've been there countless times. You know all these places by now. So today we are checking out this bit of the road. It is under construction. They keep on putting tarmac, and then they keep on closing a lane, and then they open a lane. But don't worry, you are going to see somewhere there in the middle. They're still at it. They've been at it for a while, but you know our people. You know how it goes with the road construction here. It can mean to take years and yay. So this is the Northern Bypass. Northern Bypass. This is what is going on at the moment. But they're making things right all over. The roads that are being constructed, the buildings, I'll just keep on showing you. As for the rest, it will be up to you to judge. Now you're saying that tarmac here is new. The tarmac here is new. It's not old. And then when we move there, you're going to see that they've closed off. Now do you see what's going on here? They've closed off a lane. They've given it to the other people. So the other people are not accessing the other side. We are now, both of us are using one side. Up to somewhere there. And then we'll be on our side again, yeah? But this is the latest. This is what is going on over here. You're seeing the road construction trucks through the right? If you look on the right there, we have the road construction trucks, the tractors, the trailers, the hair, all those things. That thing passing over takes you to Kawala, yeah? Kawala, then Naweru as well. That overpass where we passed, yeah? Then we have some furniture on the left over here. People are selling furniture. Now, of course, you see the other cars on the other sides. There is traffic because they're diverted to our side at some point, yeah? So, furniture, we have furniture, quite a lot of it on the left side. Furniture, then some structures, then of course you can see the street lights. Then this tarmac is new. We even have the road markings. Banange guys, as we continue, okay, before I say what I'm going to say. So over here, if you keep left, yeah, do you see? If you keep left, that is Namungoona. If you keep left and just go like this, there is a bit that takes you to Kasubi. There is a bit that takes you to Nansana if you keep left. But now we are going straight forward up here so that we end up in Masanafu, and then we go up the other side, yeah? So Manange guys, this was me. This is me telling you, Manange, did you see the children who died? You guys, that was so sad. It was very unfortunate. It was very sad, as they are the only videos that were moving around on TikTok. The parents were crying. Things are terrible. We're having quite a number of road accidents these days. I do not know how. I don't know. Generally, I don't know whether the cars are not safe for the road or the roads are not safe for the cars. Something is not safe for each other, But no, these things are not. No. Oh my God. It is so sad. May their souls rest in peace, Bambi. Their little souls, they had gone to tour. That is so sad. It made me really, really sad. I know you guys have seen the videos because this is the news in the country at the moment. The news that has been circulating. You know, the bus that lost control in Kapchora. Banang. I mean, to see yangu. naye mukole sente at the end of the day. Make the money and invest the money. Give yourselves the best. Yes, we are all going to die at some point, but that was so premature. Very, very premature. Like, Munonye sente, make the money, invest the money, give yourselves the best life, do better, be better. As you wait for your day, you make some, you invest some, you enjoy some. That is the rule. Those of you who don't want to invest, chiboko weri. Nothing in your name, you've been working for years and years. I have that chiboko. Nothing to show for yourself, I have that chiboko. Those of you who think that 20 million is sufficient for you to come back and start a life. Eyamwe, chiboko yamwe. Najisibiyeko n'olukova. Anyway, guys, this is us branching off to go to... This is Masanafu. This is the Masanafu roundabout right here where we are. The overpass takes you all the way up to Busega. Now Busega would be your next getting off. Now here, Masanafu roundabout, if you go around and take the right, it takes you Sentema Road going that side. And of course, we do have all the videos on here. It's been a minute, but if I get to pass by soon, of course, I'll be bringing you the updates of the road construction and all that, yeah? So the other side, all the way, Sentema Road up to Sentema. This side, this is still Sentema Road. It starts there, Mengo, but the video is going to stop somewhere there in the middle, yeah? So Sentema Road, Masanafu, Lugala, Nabulagala, we are going to be in that mix like that. Big building, big new building on the left somewhere there, hiding behind those ones. You're saying the buildings, you're saying the businesses. What are you not seeing? So anyway, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see. And when I get a chance to pass by, I will be bringing you those areas. Of course, again, drop me a comment. If I've passed through any of your areas, please say hello. Let me know what you think about everything that we have seen today, the places we have moved today. I will be waiting to hear from you. If you've enjoyed the video, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? So we have a new building over here on the left. Are you seeing the people's buildings, you guys? Are you saying that people are not sleeping? There is one of you who usually comes to the inbox and that is the only word they say. People are not sleeping. But yes, people are not sleeping. Do you see? We've just passed by a new building there. We are having another new building here on the right. We have a very big church and then a very, very big building. And we have another building, new building there on the left. You've seen the miti there, kukomerera. This is Sentema Road. Again, those areas, Lugala, Masanafu, Nabulagala, like that, in that mix like that. And of course, you can see the businesses. Mobile money, that is a given. Border, that is a constant. Chigege business, we can't even talk about that one. Fuel, we have fuel on the right. Petrol station, fuel, nothing to do about that. And as for welding, and now do you see on the left, even before I finished the word, even before I could think about welding had already presented itself. As for welding, that one came to stay, and that we are going to go and learn these skills because it looks like that's where the money is. Anyway, guys, I do airport pickups and drop-offs. My number is up there in the left corner. Please reach out on WhatsApp, but it's strictly business, something, or your inbox. We chased away something from the inbox. So it is strictly business. How are we making money? We have a deal here. Sheila picked me from the airport. Sheila dropped me there. Help me check on something for me, my project here, my land there, my house here. Drive me around Kampala, drive me outside Kampala. You know the drill. You know how we do it here. One of these days, we're even selling land. What are you talking about? You're going to do whatever it takes. Legally or illegally, we are going to do whatever it takes. We are going to take the extra shifts. You're going to take every extra you can. Money is the goal. Hey! First, see that building on the right. Are you seeing? Are you seeing somebody's building? Do you know how much they have spent on that? Ataina sente tasala wano. Mwenja tukende. We have another new building. another new building on the left. Do you see? Another new building on the left there. Then we have fuel on the right. We have that first one, and then we have shell over here. You can see that the economy is economing. The things are moving, the people are working, people are not. By the way, Kampala people work. We have Starbucks here. Starbucks here says Lugala. So safe to say we are in Lugala. This area is called Lugala. Driving school over there. Guys, every day may I point out these businesses for you to look for things to do. For every single day, Lugala, driving school, border, mobile money. If you take the left takes you to Lubia Hill and then Kasubi, yeah? Then if you take the right takes you all the way up to Busega. So this is the road. We do have the video of this road, the bypass road that I gave you from Kasubi to Busega. That's the one crossing through. But the one that we are on is still Sentema Road, all the way up to Mengo. Though I'm not going to get to the beginning of it. I will stop somewhere there, yeah? Fuel station over here. We have Tosha over there. And then, of course, we have apartments this side. Quite a number of them. You know the ones? The 1.5. Someone was here saying they're waiting for 1.5 to reach Kansanga. Don't even pray for it, because when 1.5 locates your area, the standard of living is going to be something else. You remember those things when people used to rent houses? Simanya 150, Simanya 200. Guys, those things are not there anymore. Okay, at least not in these areas that are having, the fancy apartments and all that. You know what I mean? And then we have to make money. Anyway, we have welding on the left. We have welding on the left over there. That road where the car is coming from takes you to Namungoona. Where the car was coming from on the left takes you all the way up to Namungoona. So Namungoona, Lugala, we are still in the area. They are there. We have Lavender Hotel on the left. For the people who used to party back in the day, you should know. Lavender Hotel, Jacaranda, and all those other places. You should know. I know I have some legends on here. Nina Kuba legend. I have some legends on here. By the way, fuel on the right, they are there. And now you can see the beautiful apartments up on the hill, on the rising landscape of Kampala. Are you seeing that the nice buildings? Fuel station coming up here on the right. Fuel station Wabula. They are in a line like this, but nonetheless, it is enough for everyone to win. The world is big enough for everybody to win, each and everybody. The world is big enough, so get out there, do what you gotta do. You're seeing the ones I'm telling you about? You're seeing, when I'm down. You're saying, are you saying the nice ones? 1.5, 2 million. Anyway, guys, the video is coming to an end. Thank you for being here. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and for the support, that guys, all of you supporting the channel the best way you can. The advice, fuel here, lunch there, shida topo wadda mwamanyi. We are here to watch the sharing, the like, the comments, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And as I keep on saying, let nobody tell you otherwise. So anyway, guys, protect yourselves. You know the drill. If it's not on, it is not safe. We are making money, and I'll see you at the top. The end justifies the means. Bye-bye. See ya.